Happy Easter, everyone. This is Strange Sights in the Sky. You might be wondering why I'm filming through this chain link fence basketball court. Well, only at this angle can I catch the entity in the sky, which you're seeing. It's gotten bigger. It's a ball. See it? It's on the middle right. I don't know how you could miss it. Yeah. I put a little bit more light on the subject. And, it's after 11 p.m. and hope everyone's had a great Easter. Watching a lot of biblical movies, but had to get out and film this video. Is it you, my friend? Can you hear me? Can you get bigger? Or are you gonna just stay that same size? Oh, size isn't everything. Well, when you are a paranormal in the sky, it is everything. Staying mostly the same size, can you get bigger? Can you hear me? Are you my friend? Or can you acknowledge me by saying hello? Give me a flash. I'm gonna start making more longer videos, getting away from these shorts. I will still continue to make them, but I think on this channel, people have gotten really sour towards them. They're used to these long, comedy-driven, philosophical ones, which I like doing. And here's an overhead plane. Yeah, that is a plane. See, that's a plane. And where are you, my friend? Where are you? There you are. See? This is not a plane. It is not a drone. It is not the moon. It is not a helicopter or anything else I can think of in human terms. It's kind of a bluish color, as you can see. And yeah, well, I'm grateful that today has been a beautiful day. It's a nice evening, not too cloudy for once. And oh, look at that light. It's bouncing off the chain link fence. Looks like it's on molten steel. Yeah. God, I really wish you could get larger. The only problem is I can't zoom in any closer. Oh my God. I can tell you this. You've seen similar videos. This might tickle your fancy, but I am looking to make a breakthrough, make bigger videos with always better stuff. But okay, there's a flash there. Now look at this. See the transparency? No, this one doesn't go through the chain link, but others did. There it is, it got a little bit bigger. It has been a larger image that expanded. This one, not really, a little bit. There's another plane overhead. I don't need to film it, you can just hear it. Well, can you change your shape? Can you hear me? Great Spirit in the sky on Easter night, April 9th, 2023. Well, let me see if I can, make it a little lighter. There it is, it's flashing. It is so bizarre, but you might be asking again, why are you filming through a basketball court? Because this is the only way I can get it. I can't get it at the next block like before because it's moved. More proof that it's not the moon, because the moon doesn't move. Or not a block or two the next day or next week. Anyway, this is nothing out of the ordinary for me, but focus in on the image. You might want to blow it up, which is artist terms for zoom in, and enjoy. Here comes another plane. This is Strange Sights in the Sky, signing off Sunday night, Easter Sunday. Hope everyone had a great one. I'm out. Bye-bye.